Ready to skyrocket your sales? The secret might just be in free samples and subscription boxes. Free samples have been around forever, but their power is timeless. They give customers a no-risk way to try your products and can create a buzz around your brand. Imagine giving someone a taste of your amazing product for free. They love it and boom, they're hooked. Then there are trial kits. Think of them as a deluxe sample experience. You're not just giving a tiny bit for free, you're offering a curated set of products that show off the full potential of your brand. It's like saying, here's how great your skin could look with our entire routine. But wait, there's more. Subscription boxes are a game changer. These curated boxes not only introduce customers to multiple products, but also add an element of surprise and delight. It's like getting a mini Christmas gift every month. By combining these strategies, you can create a powerful cycle of discovery and loyalty. Free samples get customers interested, trial kits show them the benefits, and subscription boxes keep them coming back for more. So why wait? Start using free samples and subscription boxes today and watch your sales soar. Remember, a little generosity can go a long way. Get your products into the hands of customers and let them fall in love. Your future loyal fans are just a sample away.